This is a video to demonstrate changing a flat tire on a Ford Focus. This happens to be a 2000 model. The lift points are just behind the front wheel and just before the rear wheel, about midway through the door. And I will demonstrate how to do that. First, you need to open your trunk. Remove your jack, tools, and your spare tire. Next, you want to take your lug wrench here. With the vehicle in park and the parking brake set, you want to put it firmly on the lug nuts and step on it just to break the tightness of the bolts. Now we'll jack the car up. Unfortunately, the original jack that came with the vehicle is missing. So I went and had a jack that I modified. And since this car is rather rusty on the underneath side, I made a piece of hardwood to go on the top to rest on there to give it some more surface area for jacking it up. If it's at a solid point in the front, there's a good solid point. You won't need this. You can just put this underneath there. I'm making this video for my family to ensure that they can change a tire in an emergency. Place the jack under there. There is some cabling underneath there. You want to make sure that the ground is relatively level, and you missed that cabling. Now that the back tire is completely off the ground, we'll go ahead and remove the lug nuts. They come off counterclockwise. after the lug nuts are off, take the tire off. Lay it down on its side under the car. We'll put the temporary mini spare on. It's good for 50 miles till you get to a place to get your tire serviced. Okay, you want to run these lug nuts down as tight as you can by hand and just give it a little bit of tightness. Now we're going to let the tire onto the ground. We're going to loosen up the jack, bring the vehicle down. Now that the tire is on the ground, we're going to tighten these up as tight as you can get them. And then stand on it a little bit, and you can put all the stuff in your trunk and go get your tire fixed.